What is a grantor trust in New York? Planning for the future often means taking control over how your wealth is managed and distributed. For many in New York, a grantor trust can be a strategic part of that plan. It provides a way to reduce taxes, protect assets, and transfer wealth to the next generation with clarity and efficiency. Under New York law, a grantor is the creator of a lifetime trust. This is different from a grantor in real estate, where the term refers to someone transferring property. In trust law, the grantor places assets into the trust for beneficiaries and often maintains some level of control. New York's Surrogates Court Procedure Act specifically defines this relationship, and understanding that legal foundation is critical to creating a trust that's both effective and enforceable. An attorney can guide you through these definitions to make sure your trust is structured according to law. Working with a law firm familiar with New York trust rules is especially important when distinguishing between revocable and irrevocable trusts, and when drafting the document in compliance with the Estates, Powers and Trusts law. A grantor trust works by allowing the grantor to retain certain powers over the trust. If you still control how the assets are managed or distributed, or retain certain administrative rights, the IRS considers it a grantor trust. That means income from the trust is taxed to you, not the trust. This gives you greater flexibility and can reduce estate tax exposure. Some of the IRS triggers include having a right to regain trust assets, controlling beneficiary distributions, holding administrative powers for personal benefit, or paying life insurance premiums from trust income. Whether you want to act as trustee or assign that role to someone else, retaining the right balance of control is key. This setup offers the benefits of a trust while still letting you manage assets on your terms. A lawyer can help assess which powers to keep and which to delegate, ensuring the trust remains tax compliant while meeting your goals. There are several types of grantor trusts used in New York. Revocable living trusts are common, allowing full control and avoiding probate. Grantor retained annuity trusts, GRATs, let you pass asset growth to heirs while retaining annuity payments for a term. Qualified personal residence trusts, QPRTs, allow you to live in your home for a set period before transferring ownership to beneficiaries. Intentionally defective grantor trusts, IDGTs, let you shift appreciating assets out of your estate while keeping income tax responsibilities. Other structures include irrevocable life insurance trusts, ILITs, and minors trusts. Each type has specific advantages, and an attorney can help select the one best suited for your estate planning objectives. To create a grantor trust in New York, the first step is choosing the right trust structure. If your goal is to avoid probate, a revocable trust might be right. If you're focused on tax reduction, an irrevocable structure like an IDGT or GRAT may work better. Once the purpose is clear, a New York attorney will draft the trust in line with legal requirements. The document must be signed and either notarized or witnessed, and include terms that align with IRS guidelines if grantor trust status is desired. Funding the trust involves transferring assets like real estate, bank accounts, business interests, or insurance policies into the trust's name. Depending on the assets, you may need to file documents with county clerks or financial institutions. The trust also needs the correct tax identification. Revocable trusts typically use the grantor's Social Security number, while irrevocable ones may require a separate IN. Ongoing compliance is essential, especially if the trust is irrevocable, with strict rules for distributions, tax reporting, and record keeping. A law firm can assist with each of these steps, helping to avoid errors that could result in unintended tax consequences or loss of legal protections. If you're considering using a grantor trust to secure your family's future, Schlessel Law, PLLC can provide personalized legal guidance. Call 516-574-9630 or visit their office at 34 Willis Avenue, Suite 300, Mineola, New York, 11501, United States.